Sizing up men is as disgusting and as disgraceful as sizing up women. And that is irrespective of who does it. It's not like women sizing up other women is fine, but men sizing up women is rude. It's not like men bullying other men for their body size is okay, while a woman commenting on a man's size is just not acceptable. What is unacceptable irrespective of who does it to whom. Sizing up people is body shaming, whether it's being done to a man or to a woman, whether it's being done by someone from the other gender, someone from the same gender, irrespective of age, whether it's being done in schools, among kids as part of jokes, whether it's being done in colleges as part of ragging, whether it's being done in the most unprofessional of settings, or whether it's being done in some family gathering among cousins or family members who just don't have any boundaries, don't have any respect for boundaries. I'm just not bothered about when, where, who does it to whom. Is just not acceptable. And it's so sad and annoying that we can have a movie like Oh My God 2, which I admit is quite a weird way of putting across a fact. Movie on male sexual abuse and forcing boys in school to masturbate, commenting on their sizes, bullying them for not being man enough for whatever reason. That is technically male sexual abuse in schools. I don't know if such a topic would have been acceptable by the Indian community if it was not written the way it was written in the movie. At the same time, everyone who is directing their anger at a woman making that comment, great. I'm happy to see that so many of you men know that that is wrong. However, isn't it common knowledge that every other boy, every other man has some time or the other faced a very similar incidents of bullying and body shaming and I don't know what not in school or in college? Maybe you, who is today directing your anger at this woman, you may also have faced something disgusting, something so traumatic like this when you were a child, and in all probability not by a woman, by some other adult man, by some other senior boys in school or college. So what do you do as an adult man today?